Hello, kids. Today, we are going to learn about some amazing farm animals. Let's see how they look and learn their names and descriptions. First is cow. Spell with me, C-O-W, cow. A cow gives us milk and says, moo. It has big eyes and loves eating grass. Next is cat. Spell with me, C-A-T, cat. A cat is small and furry. It says, meow, and loves to play and nap. Next is dog. Spell with me, D-O-G, dog. A dog is loyal and says, woof. It loves to run and play fetch. Next is pig. Spell with me, P-I-G, pig. A pig is pink and loves to roll in mud. It says, oink, oink. Next is goat. Spell with me, G-O-A-T, goat. A goat has horns and a beard. It says, ma, and loves to climb rocks. Next is rabbit. Spell with me, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. A rabbit is soft and hops around. It loves eating carrots and says, sniff, sniff. Next is horse. Spell with me, H-O-R-S-E, horse. A horse is strong and runs fast. It says, neigh. Next is parrot. Spell with me, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. A parrot is colorful and says, squawk. It loves to talk and sing. Next is sheep. Spell with me, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep has soft wool and says, ba. It loves grazing in the meadow. Next is hen. Spell with me, H-E-N, hen. A hen lays eggs and says, cluck, cluck. It loves pecking at grains. Next is rooster. Spell with me, R-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. A rooster crows loudly in the morning and says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Next is duck. Spell with me, D-U-C-K, duck. A duck has webbed feet and says, quack, quack. It loves swimming in ponds. Next is bull. Spell with me, B-U-L-L, bull. A bull is strong and powerful. It says, moo, and loves eating hay. Next is cattle. Spelling, C-A-T-T-L-A. Cattle are a group of cows and bulls. They graze in the fields together. Next is donkey. Spell with me, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. A donkey is hard-working and says, hee-haw. It helps carry loads. Next is chick. Spell with me, C-H-I-C-K, chick. A chick is a baby hen or rooster. It says, cheep, cheep, and is tiny and yellow. Next is kid. Spell with me, K-I-D, kid. A kid is a baby goat. It loves jumping around and playing. Next is lamb. Spell with me, L-A-M-B, lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. It says, ba, and has soft wool. That's all for today, kids. Remember all the farm animals with their spellings. See you next time.